Welcome back to NOR Institute of Technology. This is Project 7 in our machine learning course. Today, we'll train an AI model that detects fake news, a skill every data scientist should know. By the end, your Python program will instantly tell you if a news article is real or fake. But before we begin, let's understand what fake is and how will it be detected. Fake news detection is one of the most interesting applications of artificial intelligence and natural language processing, or NLP for short. But how does an AI actually know whether a news story is real or fake? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Learning from real and fake examples. First, we give our AI a dataset, a huge collection of news articles. Some are real, verified news. Others are fake, misleading stories. Each article is labeled as real or fake. By studying these examples, the AI starts to learn the difference between the two. Step 2. Converting text to numbers. The AI doesn't understand English words like we do. It can't read NASA or aliens directly. So, we convert every word into numbers using a technique called TF-IDF, which stands for term frequency, inverse document frequency. This method checks how important a word is in a piece of text. Common words like the, and, or is, are given less weight. Rare, more meaningful words like confirmed, report, or breaking get more weight. Now, each news article becomes a list of numbers, a vector that the AI can understand. Step 3. Training the model. Next, we feed these vectors and their labels into a machine learning model. In this project, we're using logistic regression. The model looks for hidden word patterns. It learns that fake news often uses emotional or exaggerated language, words like shocking, secret, or unbelievable. While real news tends to sound factual, with words like official, report, or confirmed. Over time, it starts recognizing the language of truth and the language of lies. Step 4. Making predictions. Now the model is trained. When we type in a new headline, something like, "Government announces new health policy," the AI converts it into numbers, applies what it learned, and predicts whether it's real or fake. Step 5. Checking accuracy. Finally, we test the AI with new data it hasn't seen before. If it correctly predicts most of them, we say it's accurate, usually around 90% or higher. So in simple words, our fake news detection AI doesn't read like a human, it analyzes patterns in words. It studies how words are used, their frequency, and their combinations. That's how it learns to separate fact from fiction, all through the power of data and machine learning. We'll use Pandas for data, scikit-learn for machine learning, and nltk for text cleaning. We import all the essential libraries. Pandas helps load and manipulate CSV data. Train_test_split divides data into training and testing sets. Fit vectorizer converts text into numbers, word importance. Logistic regression is the algorithm used for prediction, good for binary classification. Accuracy_score measures how accurate our model's predictions are. This loads the dataset from the dataset/news.csv file into a Pandas data frame called data. The dataset usually has two main columns. Text, the news article or headline. Label, either fake or real. We split the data. X contains the text data we'll analyze. Y contains the category labels we want the model to predict. We divide our dataset so the model can learn from 80% and test on the remaining 20%. Random_state equals 42 ensures we always get the same random split each time we run the code. Here we create a TF-IDF, term frequency, inverse document frequency, vectorizer. It converts each word into a number representing its importance in the document. Stop_words equals English removes common words, like the, is. Max_df equals 0.7 ignores very frequent words that don't add meaning. Fit_transform learns the vocabulary from training data and converts the text into numeric vectors. Transform then converts the test data using the same vocabulary. Now, both training and test data are in numeric matrix form suitable for ML. We create a logistic regression model and train it with our vectorized training data. The model learns which word patterns are associated with fake or real news. Once the model is trained, we use it to predict labels for unseen test data, x_test_fit. We compare predicted labels, pred, with actual labels, y_test, to calculate the accuracy of the model. Example output. Meaning the model correctly predicts 93% of news samples. This part makes the project interactive. It takes user input, a headline, converts it using the same TF-IDF vectorizer, predicts whether it's fake or real. 0 extracts the label from the returned list. Now let's test it. Great! It works with 92% accuracy. Here's how the complete folder layout should be like. This should be in the requirements.txt file. Congratulations! You just completed a medium-level AI project. In Project 8, we'll go one step higher. Comment your choice below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ML projects.